If your house cleaning business isn't getting leads daily, it's probably not your service. It's your system. Most business owners wait for referrals, post in Facebook groups, or run ads without a follow-up plan. And that's why they stay stuck in the feast or famine cycle. But here's the trick that changes everything. Automate the follow-up, not just the lead capture. At WebEye, we built a system on top of Go High Level that helps house cleaning businesses generate leads consistently and convert them without chasing. Here's how it works. A lead fills out your quote form. They get an instant response. Didn't reply? The system follows up. Still cold? It checks in again, days or even weeks later. It's not just a CRM. It's a full lead machine. Every message is already written. The pipeline is already built. You don't touch the tech, you just turn it on. If you want to see leads start flowing into your cleaning business daily, without doing everything manually, click the link in the description and access the WebEye system built on Go High Level.